Hey everyone, Josh here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Tonno Pro cover that I ordered for my 94 to 02 Dodge here, 8-foot box. So we're just going to open it up. I already took off one side of it so I wouldn't have to bore you guys with it. But the first thing you'll notice, made in China. When it comes to stuff like this, what isn't? So I mean, every other brand was over $600 for a soft tonneau cover. These were $340 Canadian, so significantly cheaper, and for that much of a difference, almost half price, I was willing to take the chance on it, and I've heard really good reviews about them. So the first thing I noticed when I opened it up, it came with a promo pack, which is awesome. There should be a light in there or something. It came with a seal for the tailgate, so that's pretty sweet. And I'll just tip this off here. The first thing I noticed was when you come up here to the latches, these are metal. That's huge. There's so many of them that are plastic and cheap. I mean, this is plastic here, but this being all metal is awesome. And it's very nice and stiff in there. That's good. I like that. It looks like it's really heavy duty made with the nice metal clip. My old cover had plastic, so I'm really happy about that. And then when you come up to the front of it, it's got the nice flap here, really nice weather stripping on it. Same with along the sides, double seal here. And the material seems really nice, a lot thicker than my old one. Anyways, we're just gonna fold this thing open and we'll show you guys what it looks like, and I'll just do a little review on it here. Alright, so that's folded out. This material is really thick and really nice compared to my last one. My last one was an X-Tang, and these things are really nice and thick. The stitching looks good so far. Really pleased with it. We'll have to go to the truck and check it out and see what it looks like on the truck. We'll tear off the old one and put this one on. Again, on the back here, these are plastic hooks, but they're the nice ones that you go like that and then just pull. Gives you the option to lock it if you want to. I've had these on my last one, and I've had that for 5 years, and we bought the cover used because you just can't find 8-foot covers used for really that cheap. They're hard to find because an 8-foot box is really not that common nowadays anymore. So anyways, we're gonna go to the truck and I'll let you know what the fitment's like. First off, before we go to the truck, we're going to see what's in here. A couple sets, or a set of gloves in the promo pack, so I think that comes with all of them. Comes with a thing of vinyl cleaner and protector, so that's good. And that'll be used on it to help keep it last longer. And it comes with this Tonneau torch, which I've seen is pretty cool. Instead of wiring up lights in the back of your bed for when you're going in at night, it's just a light here that it looks like it just sticks to the side of your box, and then it'll project light in there for at night if you go in there. So I imagine I'm going to need some batteries for this thing. Yeah, it just comes with a sticky pad. But yeah, that's your basic contents of your tonneau cover, and this thing hopefully will be sweet for at night. We'll see. So anyways, let's head out to the truck and we'll tear the old one off and throw this new one on. So as you can see, I was in desperate need of this thing. Once I ordered this thing, within a week mine just started to tear like crazy. It already had a hole in it, but just started to tear. Big hole at the back there. So we're gonna rip that off, send it to the dump, and put the new one on. Alright guys, so the cover's on. It is cold outside, so it's a bit ridgy and stuff, but that'll get better when it gets warm out. Fits really good. Doesn't fit that well on my tailgate because I got a bent tailgate, you can really see there. So, but otherwise, along here it fits really nice. Along the back there, it fits really nice up front there. So yeah, it's really happy with it. The fasteners tighten down really nice at the front, so keep an eye out on all my videos, and say you're down the down the road I'll do another review on this and let you guys know what I think after a year with this tonneau cover. So it's I think February 25th right now, so maybe next winter we'll do another review. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and as of now I would recommend one of these tonneau covers for sure. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and please give the channel a like and a subscribe. If my videos interest you, please click on my channel and check out my other videos.